Welcome to sbcooks. Today let's prepare tasty and crunchy potato chips. Firstly, let's take cold water in one bowl and dip all potatoes and leave it for half an hour. These are the potatoes which we usually used for making potato curries, potato fry, etc. I am using these large potatoes for making chips. You can see the difference. The skin is easy to peel off. Now let's take a plate and peel off potato skin. Repeat same process for all the potatoes. I am using this slice board for making potato slices. Take one bowl, place potato slicer, let's take peeled potato and start slicing. Potato slices should be thin. As you can see, all the potato slices are very thin. Switch on the stove, place pan, pour oil for deep fry. Let's check if oil is ready for deep fry or not. Yes, it's ready. Now let's deep fry all potato slices. Fry until it turns light brown color. Once it's done, transfer all chips into one bowl. That's it. Tasty, tasty potato chips are ready to eat. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit bell icon for latest updates. Don't forget to comment below. Thanks for watching.